Hey, what's up, econ students? Hope you're all well. It's Thursday night here at the Lucero house. Just made a good dinner, and yeah, putting one of these videos together. My whole YouTube career between doing this and anxiously checking my weather app, which I hope you're all doing as well. I'm hearing everything from 3 inches of snow, a foot of snow. If they say a foot, though, you know what that means. That means it's like a foot, but it's gonna drift to like 2 feet. That'd be fun. I actually broke out the sleds. Um, Yeah. Anyways, I hope you're good. Um, so, what's the point of these videos? Once a week, I'll be making one of these vids, typically on Wednesday night, where I'm going to go over what we did previously and what we got coming up. Right? I'll guide you through it. So, of course, as always, you're going to find the resources you need on the front page of our Canvas page. So you're going to want to visit there, and of course, it's the work for week one. And when you click on that link, it'll take you to our Google Doc. We have our learning target there, and then everything in here is kind of self-explanatory, right? As I said, though, I introduced it on Tuesday. There's some math here, right? If this is not your thing, we're going to be going over the point of tomorrow's class on Thursday is to answer any essential questions that came up when you were working on this. Some of you have already shared this work with me. Oh, yeah, that's a question. So once you do it, how do you submit it? Since we're going to be doing everything through Google Docs, you just hit that share button right on top, put my email, which is on the cover page, and share it with me. And that's it, right? I can always type in your name to access it. I'd appreciate it when you share it if you give me edit access. And if I have edit access, I could go in there and make comments. If I see something isn't quite, you don't explain it enough, or give you a word of encouragement. Okay, so once you do that, we'll be good. As we look at this, you're going to want to work through these questions, right? It's unit one. We're just getting started, and we're looking at about econ. When we talk about it, it's really like the way we're going to look at it, the study of choices. People only have so much time, and for every choice they make with their time, there's choices they did not make. And it's the same with money, right? Or governments as they look at the decisions they're making. So that's what we want to get thinking about. Go through this, answer these questions. I haven't given out the official rubric yet, but I put a note there. I want full sentence answers, not just a bullet point. So part of getting a 3 or 4, you're going to say what you believe and then support it with a reason. Why do you believe that? So for instance, on this question, are you going to have a car, bike, or public transit? I'll have a car because you get it, right? I give you some questions where I want you to evaluate those choices here. And then we end with this issue of wants and needs. I talked a little bit about scarcity. The definitions are there. I'd like you to put this in your own words. Try to find an example of what scarcity and shortage, how they differ. We looked at housing last class, right? Is housing scarce? Not really. Is affordable housing scarce? Yes, it is. Is there a shortage of it? Yes, there is, right? So there's plenty of housing if you have the money, but we would not say that, right? So housing isn't necessarily scarce, although it's getting pretty scarce. Even people have the money to purchase homes, cannot find a home that they are looking for, right? There's just not one there. At that point, we are in a housing shortage, which here in Portland, we're getting close to. Then you're going to watch this YouTube video. Do your best to answer these 3 questions. That's it, right? That's the goal for this week. Tomorrow, we'll be debriefing on it. If you have any more questions, after we debrief, we'll have time for conferences tomorrow. Hope you're all well. And I'll see everybody tomorrow bright and early. Take care. Bye.